Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Marquez. Welcome back. In this video, we will learn to create a group policy object and we will apply the GPO to a specific organizational unit and then we will test the results in our client computer. To begin, we'll go ahead and open up our Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox and begin to run our Windows Server 2019 and our Windows Client Server, which is our Windows 2010. Once you have those open, we will first begin with our Windows Server. Once you begin running, I would like you to log into your administrator account. And once logged in, your server manager would automatically open. Once your server manager is open, we're going to go into the top right hand corner on Tools, select, and then we're going to find our Group Policy Management and select that. Once open, we would see our forest that we have created in previous videos with our root domain name. We will drop down on our forest, then we will drop down on our domains, and then you would see your root domain name, which is yourname.com. For me, it's sam.com. So we're gonna go ahead and create the GPO. So now you're going to right click on your domain name and on the first option use the create a group policy object or GPO in this domain and link it here. Select the first option. Once selected, you will be prompted to create a new GPO. For your name, choose a suitable name to go along with it. For me, I will put Sam GPO. Once you've selected your name, go ahead and select OK. Okay, I'm just going to change this to Sam's GPO and then press OK. Now you're going to drop down on your root domain name and you'd see Sam's GPO. Now we're going to add a policy. You're going to right click on your GPO and it should say edit as a first option. Go ahead and select edit. In here is where we will be setting our policy. So we're going to then select user configuration. And then we're going to select the folder named policies. And now we're going to select the folder named administrative templates. Once opened, we will now choose from an area of our machine to apply the policy. I'm going to select desktop. In desktop, we have a list of policies we can apply. We are going to look for the one that says remove recycle bin icon from desktop. I'm going to right click. We're just going to select it. And now we're going to apply enable option. This is some background on what this policy is. Removes most occurrences of the recycle bin icon. This setting removes the recycle bin icon from the desktop from File Explorer and from programs that use the File Explorer window, and from the standard Open dialog box. This setting does not prevent the user from using other methods to gain access to the content of the recycle bin folder. Note, to make changes to the setting effective, you must log off and then log back on. Now that we have read this, we're going to press apply and then we're going to press OK. Now we're going to verify that the group policy has been configured. So we're going to close. No, we're going to just minimize this. And we're going to go back to our group policy management. So we're going to select our GPO. It should open here saying all the details. Then we're going to go on to settings and wait for it to generate the report. We will get this pop-up, but all we have to do is just press add and then add again and then close. This is our report. As you can see at the beginning here, at the end here, sorry, we can see that our policy has been applied. Here it is. Now that we have tested that our policy has been successful, we're going to configure an organizational unit and create a new user within it. So we're going to go ahead and minimize our group policy management. We'll go back into Server Manager. I'm going to go back on Tools. Once on Tools, we're going to go down to Active Directory Users and Computers. Select and open. This might take a little while due to your internet speed. Once Active Directory Users and Computers are open, you're going to select your root domain name, right-click, and come down to New, and then go across to the second menu, and then you'll see right here stating Organizational Unit. Go ahead and select. Once selected, you will be prompted to enter a name for the organizational unit. I'm going to put it as Test Group. Once a name has been selected, go ahead and press OK. Now we can see at the bottom here, our organizational unit has been created. Now we're going to right click on our organizational unit and add a new folder. New, we're going to add a new user, sorry. So new, then the second menu, and scroll all the way down to user. Now you will be prompted with a new page to enter our new user's name. You can put it whatever you like, but I'm going to put Ray Sun. User login is Ray S. Ensure that it's on our domain, and then we're going to press next. Now we will be prompted to enter a password for our new user. Go ahead and do so now. Once completed, you're going to leave this check mark. User must change password at next logon. Now we're going to press next. This is a summary of everything we just did. And now we're going to press finish. Once finished, we're going to now briefly verify which group the user is a member of. So we're going to right click on our user, scroll down to properties, select properties, and at the top left hand corner you see member of. Select member of, and here we can see that our user is a part of the main users. We're gonna press OK. Now we're gonna link the GPO to this organizational unit. So we're gonna come back down and open our group policy management. We're gonna locate our GPO, and then we're gonna press this little refresh icon on the top of the screen. This pop-up will come up. You've selected a link to a group policy object, except for changes to link properties. Changes you make here are global to the GPO and will impact all other locations where this GPO is linked. Go ahead and press OK. So now you can see that our organizational unit is here now. We're going to go ahead and right click on our organizational unit. And then we're going to select Link Existing GPO. Here you can see the available GPOs we can link. We're going to link our recent one, which is Sam's GPO. And we're going to press OK. Another way we can do this is come into our test group, which is our organizational unit. Right click, delete. Do you want to delete this link? This will not delete the GPO itself. Press OK. Then we can open our group policy objectives with a little drop down and move up our GPO into the task group. Do you want to link the GPOs that you have selected to this organizational unit? Now we press OK, drop down, and here it is. As you can see, it's here again. Link is enabled, GPO status is enabled. Now the GPO is successfully linked to the user within our organizational unit, and we can now verify the functionality of the policy in place. Okay, now you're going to minimize your Windows 2019 server, and you're going to open your Windows 10 client server. Once open, you're going to log in to the user you just created. As you can see, the user password must be changed before signing in. So go ahead and do that now. Once changed, press OK. You now log in to your new user account. This might take a while. And now we're going to verify the successful configuration of the GPO in the Windows client. As we can see, the user's recycle bin cannot be located on the desktop. Let's go into the Start menu, All Apps, scroll down to R. You can see there's no R, so we cannot locate the recycle bin here in the Start menu. Let's go into the File Explorer, Desktop. As seen, there's no folders here, no recycle bin. So our policy has been successful. Our GPO has been successful. Now we're going to use a command called run. Okay, now we're going to prompt the run command. So you're going to hold down Windows and then R, and it should come up. And now in this search field, we're going to type in rsop dot msc. Once typed in, you're going to press OK. You can go ahead and close this policy area. It will start searching for the results of set policy, resultant of set policy. Here it is. We're going to open user configuration. This drop down menu is already open. Next, we're going to open our administrator templates. And right here, you can see desktop. We're going to open this, and you can see the policies here in our client server. You're going to right click and press on properties. Here you can see that it is enabled on the client server, as well as the explanation we've read before. Now we're going to press OK. We have successfully configured a group policy object and tested it. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day.